Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok bottle straw. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok bottle straw, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, as you see, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of TikTok and you will enter. After that, here you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.